Hi traders, good morning. How are you? I can see a lot of people right now on the group chat, on the live session. Welcome, welcome. How are you? I can say that I feel much better than yesterday because I recover my Instagram account and I can post again and I can send videos and stories and so on. So I'm thinking to do something to protect my account. Maybe you're coming with an idea. Maybe you're smarter than me. Hola, hola. So now I was looking on the 30-minute on the EURJPY. It came down very beautifully. And now let's see if it's going to reject from this area. And maybe to come up again to this zone of 128, let's say 129 area, where also I have put my alarm. My alarm, I said my alarm, my God, my alert, sorry. So if you are trading something, if you have any pairs that you are in, I hope that you are not in a drawdown. Let me see also on the 4-hour how it looks, this pair. Maybe we can have something today. It went down beautifully, my God. Also yesterday I wanted to give a sell on EURJPY, but you know my GJ is it's one of my favorite, and I said yes, definitely I will have a trade on it. And I had also on GJ and EURJPY, so I had a very good transaction. So how are you? You don't tell me anything. I can say that in my country now it stopped to snow. My God, crazy weather. We are in March and it's still snowing. I want spring, I want summer. Okay, so let me go to GJ. This was the explanation of yesterday. And we may have, let's say, the same continuation, okay? That there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go down. We have to wait exactly to see what this pair is trying to tell us. So as you can see right here, we have a very bearish momentum, okay? This candle rejected from here and tried to come back up a little bit. Maybe it did like a retest, and now it's rejecting from here. This where I have this red line. It's exactly where the day started, and there is a high probability for the price to continue to go even more lower. Had my GJ trade nice yesterday. Oh yes, very nice. I did sell gold and got a lot of profit. Well, Payam, I'm very happy for you. So you see, if you are smart, and if you wait for confirmation, and if you wait exactly what I'm saying all the time, then you can be profitable. And you don't, I mean, really, you don't have to take many trades a day. I like to trade 1 or 2, maximum 3 trades a day, and to make my profit, and that's it. But remember that sometimes I say that I mean, it's better to wait for confirmation, and in my case I say that I like to make my 100 pips per week, and then I calm down myself. And like this, believe me, it's a very good strategy to make money and not to stay let's say, not to stay in the market and to have the probability to lose more money. I like to win, I like to make money, I like to see my money in the bank account, in my pocket. I don't like to lose money, so that's why I have created a strategy that brings me profit. Oh, Payam, you're saying thank you and sending hearts. Well, thank you so much. Um, what I can say that stick with us when I'm doing also live sessions. You've been also to my group. I think you have, let's say, more room to learn, okay, and to make profit. So I hope that all the people that they are following me also on the Instagram and also here on live where I do my live session on YouTube, also on the trading view, I hope that all the people that they are following me, they can make money, because this is what I am a dream of. Okay, so if I can make money, then definitely you can do it. Okay, the only thing is that you must have a good strategy, or maybe for those that they are taking courses with me, they should follow exactly what I tell them, and believe me, it's impossible not to be profitable. This I cannot accept. I don't know how to say. So coming back to GJ, so this is the 4 hour, and I said that the price, it may reject from this area and it still has more room to come down. Let's see on the 1 hour what it's saying. It's saying that it's still rejecting from here, and right now I really don't like how this pair is moving. Okay, this is the 1 hour. Sorry, now I have to answer to some questions, and also in the same time I am on my MetaTrader, so there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go higher. Okay, maybe to retest here again of 149,300. Do you have any ideas? Maybe you are in some trades, maybe you can tell me your idea about, for example, about GJ. So I will be very happy to know if you have any ideas. Or maybe you are thinking that this one, it could fall, it could go up again. It will be nice if you can tell me your idea. What do you say here? Because I really understood the concept of support and resistance from your Monday live. Well, my concept of support and resistance is very simple. Is that the perception, I don't know how to say, it's how you understand what I'm telling or not. Not that I didn't know that, but I really get the concept, and more important, waiting for confirmation. I really make my losses stop. Well, yes, I stopped my losses too, because maybe you will say that, oh my god, but it's boring staying here with Mari on the live session, because maybe right now she doesn't do any transaction and I don't get any signal, and maybe I get out. It's wrong. Believe me that it's wrong thinking like this, because I can give you ideas, I give you free education, I give you how you say, tips, you know, that where to enter in the market, why to enter in the market, where to find your support and resistance. I mean, I don't think that you are smart and you know everything. Believe me, you learn every day. I am learning too, and I'm a full-time trader, okay? I am learning too. Maybe I don't see something. That's why sometimes I'm asking you, did you see something? Maybe I didn't see that thing. Maybe you have something that I don't, and so on. So the best thing is to exercise. The best thing is to see Also the others, how you say, strategies, maybe you fit in them, maybe you like more, maybe you want to learn more. So don't think that it's, oh, it's boring right now with Mari because she doesn't do anything, she's just only speaking. Well, my speech, it's good for you. I do it for free, okay, here on the live session. I do it for you to learn. I consider you, because you are coming every day here on my live session, I consider you like a family. And I hope that all the people that they are here, because you are here also on how you say, you don't pay anything, you are free, okay, so I give free knowledge. I hope that all the people from here make money, and they don't have so many losses, they cut the losses, okay, and they win more, okay. What do you say? I think GJ will go up to 150, 514, 150, what? Wait, I don't see. 155. Where is it? I don't see. It's around somewhere around this area. Okay, so why you consider this? That this pair, it may continue to this area, because maybe your idea, it's not wrong, and maybe you saw something that I didn't. I mean, okay, here we are in a range zone, and it's like we can have like a resistance, okay, but the strong one, it's not this one from here, it's this one of 58,900, okay. I think of touching fishing instead of giving fish. I really am looking for your way of fishing. Oh, okay. Yes, I think it's a very simple way to make money. I can say that yes, I am really making money from my strategy. Also, I have proved you, for those that they are already in my group, that they had made some money with me. I like to make money and to invest, because as you can see also from my pictures, I like to buy new stuff, like new monitor, which is amazing, the one, you know, the curved one from Samsung. Also, I bought a new laptop, and I want to buy new things. So I like to invest money, because I invest them in me, and because also I want to buy some new things, okay, and maybe one day to write a book, because this is one of my let's say wishes, okay, that maybe later on to have a book, and to share it with you. And the MACD indicator, it's confirming this pressure. I really don't use MACD. I how you say, I like to use naked price action. I like to use only support and resistance, and to see where the price is rejecting from an area or not. How many hours per day do you usually trade? Well, I tell you, I like to trade 15 or maybe 20 minutes, okay? I like to come in the morning on the market, and when I'm having the signals, because when I give signals, I trade in the same time with you. So I like to stay very less in the market, because I want to make fast money, and then I want to stay relaxed, because also I am very busy, because I have this company, the Bloom FX, and I really want to grow it. I really want to make a beautiful family, and I told you I have this wish in my mind to also to make a book, and I'm trying to create a plan and how to do it. So I'm pretty busy also, because I have the students, so I don't have too much time to stay in the market. But I do suggest you, if you want to trade, don't stay more than, I don't know, half an hour, maximum 1 hour, because you are going crazy seeing a lot of candles. It's very difficult to stay in front of the computers, okay? Believe me, I have thousands of hours in front of the computer and learning and creating new strategies and testing and testing and testing, okay? So I do suggest you to come in the morning, okay, when you have the London session. Try to trade on that session, and if you don't get anything, then you have, let's say, like the second option, okay? So you can have 2 trades in the morning and in the afternoon. I can say afternoon because it's like this by my time, okay, in my country. So you can go to the to the New York session, and then you can have a trade there. So I tell you, don't stay more than 1 hour, 1 hour and a half on the market. I do suggest you to create and try new strategies. Try to look and find traders that they provide you knowledge, okay? And like we have here, my example, I give you free education. So I suggest you not to stay too much on the market, stay less, and try to trade less, of course. Okay, so you say we are talking again about GJ here, and Payam, you are saying, and the closest powerful resistance is at the area between 153.44 is 153.44, okay, and 150.900 area. So I do think that there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go down, okay, even if the price is still pushing up. We don't know exactly. We don't have to wait. We can wait another 1 hour and 40 minutes to see exactly where this candle can close, but if not, we can come tomorrow on the market, or maybe go with your idea and see exactly where the price is trying to go. Wait for the confirmation and go into a trade. Hi there, greets from I think from Russia. Which broker do you have accounts to trade pairs? I use IC Market, okay. I trade only forex, okay, so only pairs. I do start to do analysis on crypto, and also I have bought some how you say, I don't know how to say it in some coins. I don't know how to call it in English, but I have some thousands of coins, okay. So hope God that I will become a billionaire, okay. So broker preferred, please. I said IC Market. I use IC Market. It's very good, and you can use it's working very well also on the MetaTrader 4 and 5, so it's perfect. You are right. Looking at the market for extended time, it's really exhausted me. My sleep is like after working out. Affect my judgment too. Yes, because if you stay too much on the market, you will not understand anything. I mean, I'm looking right now on the 1 hour at GJ, and I don't know what to say, you know. I mean, I have to wait again for another 1 hour to give me a confirmation. Believe me, it's very difficult to stay in the market. It's very difficult because I am from the morning, okay. I have tried to find a better opportunity to go into a trade, okay. I didn't want to push myself because I already made my number of pips, and I think that you should use the same strategy. Maybe you don't want to make 100 pips per week, but maybe you want to make, I don't know, 10 pips per day, something like this. It doesn't matter. If you make them, you are rich. I consider like this, okay. So try to take less trades, and I don't tell you that you should take all this image, okay. So don't take all these candles from here. Take only one. Try to take only one if you can. If you cannot, then you can come tomorrow and you can have another opportunity. So coming back to GJ, also on the 4 hour, because I'm looking right here and it's exactly what I have explained you. Okay, so this is from yesterday. The price here created like a support, and then it went up, the price came back down, break through this support, and now the price retested again this area. Now we have to wait if this candle it's going to continue to go up, okay, maybe around this area where our friend Payam, I think it's his name, he said that to come to 149 area, 149 600 700, okay, or maybe the price can reject from here and to continue to go down to retest 148 100 area. And why do I'm saying this? Because as you can see here, looking on the left side, all the time you have to look on the left side to see what do you have there. You will notice that you have these beautiful candles right here, okay, and that all this image could be filled. Going by the daily, we can see that we still have more room to continue to go down, maybe to create a wick, and then maybe to go up again, okay. So I want to know if you took some trades or something, because maybe I can help you or not. My profit, it's simple. I tell you what's your month profit. I don't want to say in numbers, but I can say that sometimes I really do my 400 pips per month, and I can say that, so it doesn't matter what account do I have, but for you to be simple to understand that yes, I do make my 400 pips per month, and only if you put with a lot size of 1, you can calculate, and then you will know how much money I make. Oh yes, you pronounce my name right. Actually the first A it's like in cat, and the second A it's like umbrella. What is this with the cat and the umbrella? It's very good that I have pronounced your name. So guys, I tell you, don't rush at anything right now. Let me go also to some other pairs. Tell me if you took something. Maybe you took some trades, maybe you want to take some trades, and maybe you want to know my idea, what do I think, okay. This one could be a very nice opportunity. I'm looking on the 30-minute at EURJPY. And this one can continue to 700 or maybe even higher, because right now it seems like the price, it's like creating like a support right here. Why my mouse is not working well? Yeah, but there are, yeah, here you have only 10 pips, so there is a higher probability for the price to continue to first to retest this area here of 679, and then maybe for the price to come to 724. I'm saying this because as I can see here, the price is trying to create like a support. This is on the 15-minute, okay, so this is a very low confirmation, but also in the 15-minute the candles are moving, so there is a higher probability for the price to come up. Let me see how the currency exchange method looks. And right now let's say that GPY it's strong and euro it's weak, GBP the same, USD it's so and so. By the way, with the USD going to Forex Factory, I think that today in about 2 hours, let me see, we will have some news. Yes, I am right. So in about 2 or 3 hours we will have news. Okay, so the Federal Chair Powell testifies. So I think that it's going to move a little bit, the market. So be careful also with the trades with USD, and try to trade after the news. Okay, so you should trade after the 4-hour candle close. Okay, so let me go again to the currency strike method. This is one of the currency string method that I like. Okay, what do you say? I took GBP Swiss franc short. Let me know your remarks. Thank you. Yes, I will go right now to show you. What do I think? Let me see. It's GBP. Okay, so you took it from here. Oh, you took it exactly from here. My God. Okay, so you took it from here and stop loss 128.50. Well, it's perfect. I mean, what I can say also, I'm looking on the 15-minute, and let me see also on the 30-minute. So there is a higher chance for the price to continue to go down. Okay, first to fill this week, because if you remember what I'm still saying and I repeat myself, that the weeks are always filled. Okay, so you took a fantastic trade right here. Your stop loss is amazing, and I hope that you move your stop loss at the break even. Okay, maybe you can close 50% of the trade, or if you don't want to do this, just move your stop loss at the break even to feel safe and to protect your money. Okay, so what do you say here? USDJPY here, please check. Nice, I receive a lot of messages and I like. USDJPY, please check, please. This is on the 30-minute. Let me see, 1 hour. So your idea coming back to GBP Swiss franc, it's a very good trade, and please move your stop loss. Now coming to USDJPY, it's very ugly. I don't like anything about it. To be honest, wait the 4-hour candle to close, and maybe it can give you a direction. The 1-hour candle rejected from this area. Okay, so it seems like, what's going on here? So it seems like right here we had the rejection. Okay, I really don't like how everything is right here. Maybe the price can come back down here, okay, to retest 108,600 area, and maybe from here to create like a support, and then to come back up again, maybe to retest this one, or maybe to break it and come to this zone. But right now it seems like GPY it's strong, and you have to wait the news, because we have news in about, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours, and you can wait for the news to finish, and then you can have a trade. Right now I cannot say too much, because I really don't like how it looks. To be honest, I really don't like USDJPY. It's a very strange pair. Okay, what's your time zone location? Means which hours, day, trading, it's your according to GMT. Well, it's simple. My time right now it's 1:30, let's say lunchtime, but you can go very simple. I trade in the London session, which is 10 a.m. in the morning, okay, my time, and New York session it's at 3 o'clock p.m. So it's simple. Just go to Google, put there also Romanian time, and you will understand. It's simple. Just Google it. Okay, Madi, there is any way to know whether the news is going to be bullish or bearish before it reveals? No, we don't know, because we cannot control these things. We cannot control what they will say on the news, but we can predict after the news, after the market will settle down, okay, where could be the next move. But to be honest, we cannot predict something that you cannot control, so no. I took using a sell limit. Which one? The GBP Swiss franc. Yes, it's very good to use it's very good to use pending orders, because like this you don't waste, let's say, too much time in the market, and you can have very nice trades. For example, this one, it's an amazing one, very good one. Also your stop loss and everything. I don't know your take profit, but I think you should put it here, and maybe to move your stop loss lower, and maybe the price can come down even more. You don't know. This is your way of how you say, your way to manage your account, okay, to manage your trades. Try not to lose more money, okay. Seems like right now the price stopped right here, but there is a higher probability for the price to come to 1.28 183 area, and maybe to come back up even more. So try to take the best opportunities for you and make money. So this, I can say, it's a very good transaction. Coming back to EURJPY, it seems like what I have saying, that the price should continue to go up to retest 128,700 area. So I do believe that the price should continue to go somewhere around here, 750, let's say, somewhere here, 725 area. There are little how you say, pips, okay. I don't want to risk for 10 pips to go into a transaction, also because we have, let's say, like a delay, and you cannot control this trade right now. So it's a little bit difficult for me to take it, but it's a very good idea, and I do believe that the price should continue to go higher. So this one, I think that should come to this zone from here, okay, somewhere here, and it's still pushing higher and higher. It's like, let's say, just a small correction from what happened yesterday, that the price fell very beautifully, but don't think that now the price will how you say, fly. No, it's just going to retest, and then maybe the price to come back down again. The thing is that you should understand that candles, they move up down, and they don't go, let's say, straight, Okay, so you see only beautiful candles if you are going on the higher time frames like daily, weekly, and so on. But on the lower time frames like we have right here, 30 minutes and 15 and 1 hour, you will see that the price is moving like this, very crazy. So this is a very good idea that I think it was a very good opportunity to go in this trade, okay, to go up. I said from the beginning that this one could continue to go higher. So I don't know if somebody took this trade, but I didn't want to risk because I already made my number of pips and I did more than 100 pips, okay, per week. So I am pretty fine and I don't want to risk anything. So if somebody took this trade from here, then you are amazing. Let me see Euro USD. Euro USD, it went up, it went down, now created like a support. This is on the 30 minute. Let me see 1 hour. This is like barcode, so nothing is happening right now, so nothing. EURJPY, it's like trying to push up. Let me see also on the 4 hour how this candle it looks. My god, it's rejecting a lot, and maybe it can come again right here. We don't know, but we have to see exactly what it's GJ doing. It's going up very beautifully. Let me see GJ. Yeah, GJ is just playing right here. Did somebody took the EURJPY buy? I'm very curious. I'm asking you and you should answer to me, because right now I can see that it's pushing higher and higher. This is on the 1 hour, and let me see the 30 minute. So if somebody took this trade, then if you want you can close 50%, or maybe to move your stop loss, or maybe I don't know, just leave your trade. Because you don't know how this could be a reversal. That maybe the candle will come back down again. GJ, it may come back down. It's like how you say, let me put this one here. It's like the price it's ranging right now, and it doesn't give me, let's say, a very clear direction. This is on the 30 minute. Oops. And it's rejecting from here, and maybe it will be very funny to see GJ coming to this area, okay? Because there is a higher probability for this price to come back down here. This is on the 30 minute. To play a little bit and then to go up. We don't know exactly what GJ will do. It's very unpredictable. For EURJPY, no, I didn't trade. Close it my GJ trade earlier. Very good. You said that Prati, sorry. Yes, I took EURJPY. Okay, so try to protect your trade. Another guy, he's saying, it's Payam. He said I did my today's pips. I didn't take that. Perfect. So you see, this is the attitude, that if you made your number of pips, then you should not trade anymore. Yes, you can come here and watch me and learn new things, and maybe we can see something, and maybe we can share some ideas together, okay? try to learn. Don't push yourself to make transactions. Like I don't push myself right now because I don't see any reason why I should put myself taking a trade, and also for very small amount of pips, because I prefer to make money one time. Okay, it's like I do prefer to come into the market to make in one day everything that I want. Sorry, and then to leave the market and to stay calm and to do whatever I want all the week. Let's see if GJ is going to reject from here or it's going to break it. I am very curious. This is on the 1 hour. Let's see 30 minute, and let's see also 15. So it's simple. If it's going to reject this area, then it should come back up again. If not, back down. EURJPY, it's still rejecting. Let me see GJ. I'm very curious also because this 15-minute candle will close. It still has about 2 minutes. So I really want to wait to see what's going on right here. So there is a higher probability for this price to reject and then to continue to go higher. And it seems that right now it's like I am right and it doesn't want to break that area, and there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go up. So I should remind you that 80% of the time you wait, okay, in the market, 10% you have a sell and only 10% you can have a buy. So wait for the best opportunity, okay? And how do you know that you have the best opportunity? It's let me say when you know that is the best opportunity to go into a trade, when you are waiting exactly. So you have a strategy, okay? You have a strategy, you have a trading plan, you respect that trading plan. So in that trading plan, you say that, okay, I'm waiting only on the 30-minute, this kind of confirmation. So I like to buy at the support and sell at the resistance. So if this is, it cannot happen on the 30-minute chart, then I will not have a trade. So this is how you recognize, let's say, the best entry. Okay, Madi, what's your opinion on gold? Let's see gold. Let's see, where is gold? Do you see gold? Ah, it's here. My God, I have so many here that I don't know. This, it happened. Okay. Oh, this is on the 4 hour. So there is a higher probability for this price to fall. I tell you my opinion. This I should remove it. No, let me do it like this. So we have this one here. Okay, so this is the support right now. We can see here clear that here we have a support, and we can see that also we have a lot of rejections, okay, like here, like here, okay, so we have multiple touches, okay, so I call them like this, also here, and so on. So let me put also the resistance, because also we have a resistance right here, okay, because the price, as you can see, rejected from this area, okay, so it's coming back down. If I'm playing, let's say, also with the trend line, sometimes I like to play with a trend line, and I can say that, okay, if I'm going to put a line like this, I could see that this is on the 4-hour, that this how you say, candles, they are giving me the idea that the probability for the price to come back down is higher than to go up. Okay, so I do believe that on the 4-hour, because also I can see a rejection from here, okay, from 1735, I can say that there is a higher probability for the price to come to 1727. Why do I'm saying this? Because as you can see here, we have this wick, and usually when we have momentum, the candles are filling these wicks, okay? We don't know if it's going to reject again from here, but there is also a higher probability for the price to break this area and to go deeper. Why I'm thinking about this? Because first of all, I could say that if I could take gold, this could be, let's say, my target right here at 17, what we have here, 17.19. And I'm saying this because we have this wick here, okay, and usually this kind of wicks, I told you and I repeat myself, they are filled, okay? So if we have momentum, you will see a candle falling and maybe to reject from this area. Definitely the price, if it's going to break this area of 17.18, then we should come to this area here. We can see also this move by today, okay, because don't forget that today we have news, so the candles may play around this area right here, okay. So I do believe that the price it should come down. Let me go on the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour it seems like here could be a nice sell, okay. Yeah, but here it's like looking like a range area, so so I think that the price should come back down, okay. Let me go on the daily. And on the daily it seems like right here the price came back down, create like a support, came back up. It's like it did a retest from here, okay, so it did a retest around 17.55, and then the price came back down, so there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go even lower. So I'm expecting for gold to fall. GJ have changed the bullish again to bullish again. Oh, okay. Let me see the 30-minute. 15 GJ. Yes, but I said that it has to come here to this area, what I said, and maybe the price can come back up again to 149, 350 area, I remember, and I said that if it's going to break this one, then it has to come back down. So it's, yeah, right now it's very difficult to trade GJ because it doesn't give you a clear direction, but you can anticipate where the price may go, okay. So because right here the price created like a support, okay, so it's trying to create like a support, and if it's going to break this area, even if you are trading on the 15-minute, because you can trade it, okay, you can have a sell down to here, if not you can have a buy up to here. So you must have and wait for the best strategy and entry. There is we still have to wait another 9 minutes, okay, for this 30-minute candle to close, and also the 1 hour candle to close. My god, my time is flying with you. I don't know how it's flying, and I love it. I can say that I'm so happy that you are here with me. My god, and I really want to take a trade because I want to make peeps with you right here, not only on the VIP channel. Sometimes on the VIP channel, my god, it's fire. I mean, like, I love it when I'm taking trades and they are in profits. And when I see that all the people from the group, they are sending how you say, the amount of money that they made, I am very, very, very happy. What do you say? Away first, what? Okay, so waiting the 30-minute chart. So again, I'm saying that please don't rush to go into trade. Maybe I should try to do tomorrow earlier the session, maybe earlier with 1 hour, because I can see that right now nothing is moving. So I think I should do with another 1 hour before the session, and let's try it like this, because maybe at that time the market is moving. Okay, the market is moving in the London session at the beginning, but I cannot do the live session at that time because I'm very concentrated also to give signals, and I am with my group. So maybe tomorrow I will come earlier. Okay, so I will make the announce also for all the people that they are following me. I will send a message, and they will know exactly when I will be live on the YouTube. Okay, so don't worry, all the people will know. I'm thinking that maybe I should start with 1 hour before, because at that time the market is moving, because right now nothing really special will happen. The EURJPY, if it's going down right now, you see it's like it doesn't want to give any direction. It's like ranging. So I think you are in this trade. This is on the 15. Let me see the 30. I definitely thought that the price should come to this area right here, but it seems that it doesn't want to do that right now. Maybe it will do it later on. We don't know. So I suggest you not to panic, okay? Because the price can reject from here, okay? So if you don't feel comfortable when you see that the price is going again into your favor, then you can close at the break even. So don't be afraid, and try not to use how you say, bigger lot size, okay? So if you have the opportunity, yes, you can trade, you can close the trade, but I said that you should manage and on your own, okay? So I can give you an idea, and I do believe that the price should touch that area again, because the price went down a lot. Let me see also on the daily chart. Let me see also on the currency strength meter how everything it looks. Yeah, it says that GPY is stronger. Let me see here. CAD, AUD, GPY, and Euro. This is -8, and this is minus 0.14. So I told you, if you don't feel comfortable when you are at the break even, you can close your trade. Okay. What? The camera too far? What camera? My camera, the way that you see me? You don't have to see me. What? Do you want to see my makeup or what? Believe me, I have only how you say, I forgot how to call it. I just have something on my lips but I don't like to use a lot of makeup, so dinette the camera too far. What can I do? So for those that they are on EURJPY, try to close at the break even, because we don't know exactly what the price will do. Everyone has their own strategy. Just a suggestion: when indicates to go down, GBP gets stronger for a short term. There is a higher probability. We don't know. You don't know exactly, you know. You have to wait and see what's the best entry for you. I can tell you that maybe you have your own strategy that can bring you money. I have my own strategy that can bring me money, but there are a lot of people that they are losing on the market, and there are a lot of people that they are afraid going into a trade just because the candle is moving up and down, and maybe they are afraid because the candle is going into the drawdown and so on. So there are a lot of things that you should consider before going into a trade. Like lip gloss, what do you say there, Sarah? Lip gloss, chapstick, or what? Oh my god, I don't know what you're saying, and you are laughing. Lip gloss. No, I don't have a lip gloss. I wanted to say something else, not the lip gloss. So guys, this one, yes, it should come up a little bit. If not, then it's going to come back down. I really don't see anything right now to go into a trade. This one is doing exactly what I thought that it's going to reject from this area. Okay, this is on the 15 and the 30 minute. I'm talking here about GJ, and I really want to see where this candle is trying to go. Maybe tomorrow I will put my camera, how you say, not to have it so far, and like this you can see my makeup. I will wait for more candles. Yes, you should wait for the 4-hour candle to close. That's why I say that maybe tomorrow I will come earlier on the market, because I can see that right now nothing is moving, and I don't want to stay here only speaking. I just want to have some trades. Okay, what do you say here, Ali? Very useful information. Well, thank you. Come on, GJ, tell us, what do you want to do? To go up or down? Maybe he wants to break, or maybe he wants to go up. So I do believe that it's better to wait for the best confirmation, okay, before going into the trade. So GJ can continue to go up, okay, because it's rejecting this area. So if we will measure, oh wow, I don't know if it can go to this area, but if we can have a buy, then we can have something like 35 pips or 30 pips. Okay, this is on the 15. Let me see the 30 minute. Okay, so even if these candles are closing lower and lower, I do believe that the candle should continue to go higher. Maybe to touch again this area from here, 100, 150, Maybe the candle should come to this area too. Let me go also to EURJPY to see what it's trying to do. It has to come back up because it cannot break this area. So right now this one, it seems like it's in a range zone, so nothing to do. GJ, if I'm doing also the same thing, it seems like also this one, it's in a range area if I'm putting on the 15 and also on the 30-minute chart. So there is a higher probability for this pair to continue to go higher, okay, than to come down. But I suggest you to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, because like this you will know exactly where the candle it may go, okay, either up or down. I think I see a sell opportunity on what? On AUD USD. Where is it? AUD USD. What do I suggest you again? And as you can see here, I have this red line, and here we have a strong resistance. Wait another 1 hour, okay, for this 4-hour candle to close. And it's simple. If this candle it's going to close above, oh sorry, if it's going to close let me take, if it's going to close above, okay, then you can have a sell. No, sorry. So if it's going to close above, okay, above this, it didn't want to work, to 0.76 200 area, okay, or maybe 300 area, then you can have a buy, okay, and where you could be your first take profit here, it can be at 0.76 555 or somewhere around here at 0.76 600 area. If on the 4-hour candle it's going to close under this resistance right here, it means somewhere around the 0.76 200 area, then you can have a sell, and thinking that the price just came back up right here to do a retest around this area. So I think that Payam, you should wait for another 1 hour, okay, just go out, I don't know, or in the house, just have a coffee, look at something, learn something new, and wait for this best opportunity, because maybe you want to have a sell on this one. So if you want to have a sell, wait for the best entry. As you can see here, we have barcodes, and maybe nothing will happen, and maybe the price will come to this area, only to this area, because maybe it's in a range area. Madi, in GJ, if it goes up, do you get a buy or you wait for a sell on the resistance? What do I think about GJ? Again, also for this one, I could wait another hour. Believe me, at the 4-hour you get a very, very good confirmation. That's why all the time I say, and also when I give signals on the VIP channel, all the time I say on the educational chat, I am waiting the 4-hour candle. Why? Because like this, I can see something new. I see where the candle is stopping, where the candle is rejecting, okay, maybe creating like a support, and I can anticipate the next move. So that's why I repeat myself, and I tell you too that right now I cannot say nothing much. I can say that maybe the price can continue to go higher, but not right now. The next 4-hour candle, it should continue to go higher, to come down a little bit, just create a wick, and then to come back up, okay? I mean, do you take a reverse trade or just trend trades? I take also counter trends, okay? I like to take counter trends. They are very difficult, and they also they bring me profit, but it's very difficult to trade them, and it's very difficult for the new people to explain how you take the counter trend, but I do prefer for people to go to trade by the trend. Okay, so there are some things that you should learn and you should understand. So I do believe that the price should continue to go higher. Even if I go on the 15-minute, I can say that this is like a range zone, and only because it didn't break through this area and to come down, I do believe that it should come back up. Okay, so let me see also EURJPY. I think it should do the same because both of them are with GPY. Okay, and they had to do something. Okay, don't forget that you have news today. Where is it today? Okay, at 4 o'clock, in about exactly 2 hours. So in about 2 hours you will have these news, and be careful not to trade at all or pairs with USD. Try to trade them after the news will finish. Okay, because like this you will get a higher chance to make money, not to lose. So as we can see right here, the price is pushing up, and first stop could be at 149.100 area, and let's see if it's going to break it and to go even higher. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will wait for you on the live session tomorrow, and I will announce if I will come with 1 hour earlier, because I can see that right now at this hour nothing really special it's happening, and I really want to take a trade and to give you some nice signals here, okay, to trade together. So take care of you, don't over trade, wait for the best opportunity, and trade also after